Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I deep clean my fridge. It is well needed. I have not touched my fridge in a month, done anything to it, and it's looking a hot mess. I don't know if you guys can see all of that. That's a no-no. So I need to get my fridge together and looking clean the way I like it. Now I usually clean my fridge, well, give my fridge a deep clean once a month, and then for each week I usually try to upkeep with it, but I haven't done nothing to it at all, and sometimes life happens, so this is one of the case. So I will be showing you guys how I deep clean my fridge, and also showing you guys a mini grocery haul, and then showing you guys how I organize my groceries in my fridge. So if you guys would love to see how I get my fridge looking good, well, continue to watch this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So here's a up close look at the mess that is going on in the fridge. So the next thing I'm going to do is take out the shelves and then also these compartments, so I can go ahead and wash them properly. So the fridge is looking good and clean, you guys. I love it. This is how I like when my fridge look. Now I usually put a baking soda freshener in the fridge, but I completely forgot to purchase it when I was grocery shopping, so I have to get that tomorrow. But I did go ahead and put back some of the items that I took out initially. So now I'm going to show you guys really quick some grocery items that I did pick up earlier at the store. Now some of these things are Sam's and Walmart. So I usually go to Sam's once a month, and I love going to Sam's because it's like I could get a lot more for my money, and I usually get it in bulks, and I love that. And then for like the smaller items, I usually would go to like a Walmart, Kroger, or Publix, just depend on what store I feel like going to. But I did pick up some oranges. Now I haven't eaten any oranges in a while because usually when I get them they're not like fresh. So I did see some fresh ones, so I did go ahead and purchase some. And then I got some organic bananas, and I got some seedless table grapes, and I love these apples. They are so sweet, you guys. And I did go ahead and pick up some apple juice for the kids. Now I usually get 2 of these, which is a total of 4. And I picked up some avocados and some orange juice. This one tastes really good. And this I got in Walmart, and it's a mixed berry drink. It's the first time I'm going to try it, so hopefully it tastes good. And then I also picked up this flavor as well, so hopefully they both taste good. And then in Sam's I got the unsalted cashew. My husband and I love this. And then I got this in Walmart. I completely forgot it when I was in Sam's, because usually I would get the bigger box in Sam's because you get a lot more for I think like about $8 and change. Now this in Walmart is about $6 and change, and you only get 12, but you get more in Sam's. And then I picked up some squash. These are some tomatoes, and these are eggplant. I love these, and my husband as well. And I got some squash. This is some garden salad. I picked this up from in Sam's, the broccoli, and I picked up this in Sam's as well. And baby spinach I got from Sam's. And I rather get these from Sam's over like Walmart or Publix, because you get the bigger size for a really good price. This was like about $3 or $4 and change, and then in Publix I believe like half of this is like about $6, so it's a better deal for me in Sam's. So the next item I got are these mini peppers I got from Walmart, and I love cooking with those. And I just got some green onions and almond milk from Walmart that I picked up for hubby, and the kids love these, so I got that from Walmart. I again forgot to pick it up in Sam's, so I just picked up 2 of them in Walmart. And then these pizza snack is the first time I'm trying them. Normally I get a different type of pizza for the kids, but my husband suggested these, so I did pick them up for the kids to try them, so hopefully the kids like them, which I think they would. And then I also got egg whites from Sam's, and my older son loved these, so I got this from Sam's. This is from Walmart, and this is minced garlic. And this is from Walmart, shredded hash browns. And then the Uncle Ben's rice. I usually buy the big pack in Sam's, but again, I was in a rush when I was in Sam's and I completely forgot it, so I just picked up this size in Walmart, which I shouldn't have, because it would have been better for me to wait until I go back to Sam's and pick it up, because the price that I paid for it in Walmart, I might as well get the bigger bag in Sam's. But it's fine, the one time won't kill me. And then this I picked up in Sam's, and I got some baby food for the baby. And then the kids love taking these to school for their snacks, and some baby juice for the baby again, some snacks for the baby, and then I got some cereal, baby cereal over there. And then down here I got some baby water, and these are spring water that I like cooking with. I cook with the spring water rather than the water from the pipe, just because we haven't gotten the filter on the water as yet, so I just pick these up and use it to cook with. And then I got some sweet potatoes from Sam's. And then over here I just picked up some cleaning products. I love using this, you guys. It's the Barkeeper's Friend to clean my stove top with, or any little thing you can clean it with. It's really good. And this one I picked up in Walmart, and then it's the same product, but I got this one in Ross for $4.99, which is a really good deal for both of them. And then I got some air freshener from Walmart, and this one smells so good, you guys, especially for fall. It smells really good. And then I picked up this disinfectant wipe from Sam's, and it comes in so handy, especially when I am cleaning the house with, or cleaning down any of the baby toys or anything for the baby. These come in really handy, and the price is really good. And then I also picked these up in Sam's as well, and I got 4 in the pack for, I think it was like $10 and change. And then this I am trying out. I've never tried this scent before, but it does smell good, and this was in Sam's for about $12 and change. And then I picked up some dishwashing soap from in Walmart. And then my all-time favorite, you guys, I love this disinfectant. It is so good to disinfect anything with, or clean your floor. I use it in my laundry sometimes, or if I'm trying to disinfect the baby toys or something like that. It's really good for. And then this, I just picked up some white vinegar to anytime I'm like washing my meat, I'll pour a little bit of white vinegar in the water and wash my meat with. So that's all my grocery that I have to share with you guys. Now, the total that I spent in Sam's was about $120, and then in Walmart I spent about, I think, like $75. So I did good this month. Usually I spend about $300 to $400 on groceries, but this time around I did a lot better. Plus, I haven't gone to the fresh market yet, because that's where I get my meat from, and then I also get some organic fruits and veggies from there as well. So I haven't included that into the budget as yet, but these are the stuff that I got from Sam's and Walmart. Here it is, you guys. My fridge is clean, it looks good, and it is organized. Now, all my organization bins that you see within my fridge, I did purchase it from Walmart, but I've seen them in Marshall's, Burlington, Ross, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and they are a little bit cheaper. So if you don't want to purchase them in Walmart, you could purchase them in those stores. So that's it for this video, you guys, and if you guys enjoyed, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.